Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. First, I will give the short summary of the last week market Nifty and then I will discuss the level for the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank for the next week. So, to know the level for the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank, stay connected till the end and smash the like button now. And yes, subscribe the channel for these kind of regular updates. So let's begin with the short summary of the market last week. The Nifty 50 scaled a new all-time high, and yes, there is a very good news that the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank both are trading on their all-time high, and it has surpassed the 19,100 also means, and there was 2% jump in Nifty IT and Nifty Auto, while the Nifty Bank was actually up by 1%. So this was a short summary I wanted to give. Now I'll discuss in detail the Nifty 50 chart and Nifty Bank chart to know the level for next week, as it is a good news for the stock market that the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank both are trading their all time high and looking very positive. Discuss the chart first. So now we have come to the chart of Nifty 50. See, Nifty 50 is trading at 19,180, 190 means almost around 19,200. Even it has touched the 19,200 on Friday, and then came closed on 19,190. So 19,200 तक तो ये पहुंच ही चुका है, और मुझे नहीं लगता कि यहाँ पे कोई इसका रेजिस्टेंस है। सो एंड अगर इसका एक बेस देखें, इसने एक बेस बनाया है। सो अगर एक overall view देखें तो Nifty 50 has broken out also. See, from here it was last time high. It was 18,880. 18,880 से अभी इसने एक ब्रेकआउट, बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रेकआउट दे दिया है। इवन लास्ट थर्सडे, थर्सडे तो हॉलीडे था, आई मीन्स वेंसडे, यस वेंसडे को इसने एक ब्रेकआउट दे दिया है, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट मूव्ड अप आल्सो और क्लोज्ड ऑन 19,200, and I'm expecting the good move from Nifty 50 next week. So, what can be the level for the Nifty 50 for next week? Definitely the support looking is here 18,880, और ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही डायरेक्शन में मूव करता जाएगा निफ्टी 50। अफकोर्स इट विल टेक रेस्ट, इट विल रीटेस्ट ऑल्सो, थोड़ा कंसोलिडेट भी करेगा, बट 19,400, यस 19,400 तो बहुत ही जल्दी दिख रहा है। सो निफ्टी 50 ट्रेडिंग रेंज फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक कैन बी 18,880 to 19,400. If by chance it's breaking this level also, 19,400 also, then it will go to 19,600 next week or next to next week. So 18,880 to 19,400 can be the trading zone for the Nifty 50 for next week, definitely. So now we have come to the Nifty Bank chart. Let's see what is happening on Nifty Bank chart. Nifty Bank is trading at 44,750 के आसपास, yes 44,750 है इसका क्लोजिंग, यस क्लोजिंग इज 44,750, एंड it is also trading on all time high and broken all the level. So यहाँ भी मुझे एक ब्रेकआउट दिख रहा है, it has broken this resistance also. I am expecting the good move in next week from Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank, from both. So Nifty Bank if we see the what can be the trading area, तो सपोर्ट कैन बी हियर, जो इसका कई बार इसने यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस लिया है, 1 1 2 3 4 5, सो 5 यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट हुआ, यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट हुआ। सो 44,200, यस 44,200, नियर अबाउट 44,200 इज ए गुड सपोर्ट फॉर निफ्टी बैंक। और ऐसा नहीं कि एक साथ ही भागेगा, ये नीचे भी आएगा, बट एक ये अच्छा सपोर्ट है हियर 44,200। तो 44,000 So Nifty Bank trading range for the next week can be 44,200 to 45,000 definitely. 45,000 का एक लेवल अभी तुरंत के लिए दिख रहा है. So Nifty Bank trading range is 44,200 to 45,000 for the next week. Next week. So in the end of the video, I want to tell again, Nifty 50 trading range for the next week can be 18,880 to 19,400. After breaking on 19,400 can be 19,600 also. And Nifty Bank trading range for the next week can be 44,200 to 45,000. So the regular update for the Nifty 50 Nifty Bank, stay connected to the channel. Signing off.